Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's tutorial we're gonna be learning about how to double roll in Kinemaster. This is so simple, and I'm gonna show you how to do this in a very short time. So let's start. What you're gonna do, first of all, come and open Kinemaster. Click on the new project. Come and select the aspect ratio like that. Okay, come and add your video. Okay, so now this is my footage. So the secret of double rolling, the secret is just to shoot the video in one position. What I mean is this: let your camera remain in one position and shoot the first footage, and again the second footage. So in my case, I had to shoot the wall footage while my camera is in one position without changing, without moving. So I'm gonna split. I did not stop my camera. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut. Now here is where I have to split playhead like that. So now this is where another video begins. So another video begins here. So what I'm going to do, it is so simple. I'm going to copy, to duplicate this one as a line. Now when I duplicate that as a line, I'm going to drag it onto this side. So when I'm gonna drag it up to the place that I want it to start. So like that. Now the other video, I have to delete it. So now so another thing, I'm gonna move it to a place that I want it to start. So I'm gonna check. So here I was eating some corns. So after I had placed down, that's where now I want the other video to start at. So I'm gonna be starting another video. Yeah. So I have also to trim it. So what I'm going to do, okay, so there is something that I'm going to do. This one I'm going to drag until I see it fills the screen. So again, I'm gonna do the 4 now. So another thing I'm going to do, I'm going to crop in, then I crop until where I can see. Like that. So like that. Now you can see my 2 videos are there. So another thing that now I'm going to do for me to make it like real, I'm gonna click on the first video and then come to color adjustments. I'm going to add some brightness. Okay, like that. And then on the second video, I'm gonna come and select cropping and come enable masking. So here I'm going to add some feathers like that. So let's play. Okay. So now like that. So that is it. So So here is where I'm going to end my video. So now to make sure that this masking is not seen, I'm going to add some layers. So I'm going to select the cinematic layers. I'll go straight to the cinematic layers. So I'm gonna add cinematic frames. So like that. That. So another thing that I'm going to add some effect and come and add cinematic I'm gonna add overlay. Yes, an overlay. Okay, then so let's add a title. We're gonna add the title of our video, so double roll. Okay, now we are ready to save our project.
So thank you guys for watching this video. And if you are new in this channel, make sure you subscribe, you like, and without forgetting to press the bell. Make sure you press the bell button for you to be receiving notifications whenever I drop a new video. Thank you.